Welcome to our channel. Every Thursday, Rabbi Kolakowski releases a video from the teachings of the holy Hasidic Saint Rebbe Levi Yitzchak of Berditch UV in this famous volume, Kedushas, Levi. In this week's teaching on Exodus chapter 25, verses 2 and 3, we learn about how to honor God in thought and improve ourselves by performing sacred deeds. Let's watch.
Welcome everyone. Although I'm recording this on Monday, we plan to release this on Thursday, and every Thursday we try to learn something from the holy Rebbe Levi Yitzchak ben Sarasosha Meberditchev, the holy saint Rabbi Levi Yitzchak ben Sarasosha of Berditchev, in his holy Hasidic volume, the Kedushas Levi, the holiness of Levi. This week's Parshas is Parshas Terumah, although it's also Parshas Shkolim, but we will learn something from Parshas Terumah right now. We're in the book of Exodus, chapter 25, verses 2 and 3. V'ikchu li Terumah, ve'ez kol ish asher yidvenu limo tikchu es Terumasi, v'zos ha-Terumah asher tikchu nitam zav v'chesef u'nechoshas. The Bible tells us in Exodus 25, you should take from me a Terumah, an offering. It literally means something that's lifted up, separated. From every person's heart is generous. I remember Rabbi Fishbang's Gesundsein, he said that we speak about someone whose heart is generous, that's a very special pedigree. You can't take an offering just from anybody. It's just from someone with a generous heart. Tikhus Trumasi, you should take my offering. Zosa Truma, and this is the offering, Asher Tikhu Meitam, that you should take from them. Zahav, gold, Bechesef, and silver, and Nechoshas, and copper. Again, that's the book of Exodus, chapter 25, verses 2 and 3. Zehine, says the holy Berditchev Rav, behold, Kol Adam Mechuyev Avod es Baruch Hu. Every human being is obligated to worship the blessed Creator. B'maaseh, deed, b'machshava, and in thought. So both in deed and in thought. Because through one's concentration and focus and thought, Kedusha, if it's holy thoughts, then he lifts up the divine presence from the dust. So the thoughts that we have elevate God's presence. And the deeds elevate the human being, him or herself. And this explains the meaning of the scripture. Every man whose heart is generous. That is talking about the thoughts. We have a book called Chovos Levavos, the duties of the hearts, which means the duties that we have in thought, right? A very famous medieval work of Jewish philosophy by Ibn Kukuda. The Humarum is al-machshava, so when it says that his heart is generous, it means his mind, his thought is generous. That's why Rabbi Victor Miller, the Chassid Leinu, always translated the word Chovos Levavos, which was one of his favorite volumes, as the duties of the mind, as opposed to the duties of the heart. Through this, that one rectifies the brain, the thoughts, the heart, represented by that archetype of the heart. Through this, you take my offering. So loimer means to say, that through this, one elevates the divine presence, so to speak, if it's possible to do such a thing. Obviously, it's a matter of speech and not actually lifting up of God, because God himself is perfect, cannot be lifted up, but his name and his presence can be exalted. And so we bring God into this world through that. Again, even though he is in the world, but he's not visible in the world, and so we increase his glory and his visibility. V'zos Terumah asher tikchu mitam. This is the offering that you take from them. Which the Leimer means to say, says Roimamus asher ha'adam lokeach atzmo. This is an elevation that God takes for Himself. The hubal yedei amasa. The huzav v'chesef, that is gold and silver, with Kedushas and copper. Which the Leimer means to say, al yedei uvda. That is through action. That a person elevates him or herself through his deeds, through actions, through the mitzvahs that we do. Baduk, this is easy to understand. This is how we have to understand this. All right. Well, I guess I should call my friend back and call me. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we hope to see you real soon. All right. How do I turn this thing off?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you simply by commenting. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash Hirtzio ente malai Okar les ozman Ben